Hello and welcome back. Welcome to Big Dad Create. Sorry about that. That was the dishwasher finishing. I'm here with Annie. Say hi, Annie.
Hi.
Okay, now robot time. We want to show you what we've been up to. Here it is. Here's Jemima. Let's talk through this chess piece. Now we did this. We started it in the last video and we've just finished it. We did it offline because we don't want to bore you with these videos. We want to be able to still have some fun. So we quickly made this. We basically made some holes, stuck them in, and hey presto, we've got our lights. So it's still drying around the edge. I've glued it in with no more nails. So do get a parent or helper to do that for you if you're making one of these and you like it. But
And these are the lights. And show them what we did on over here.
oh yeah, so the lights, you remember we showed you in one of the videos the button, there it is stuck on the side, and Annie's showing you that we push it.
Oh.
And also behind one of these legs is the battery pack, this one.
Know.
So at some point we're going to cut that open and get the battery pack out, but it's in there and works, so that's there if you need it. Now,
Yeah.
let's mix up some paint, Annie. We are going to do we're going to try and make turquoise. So Annie, let's get some green and...
I just touched the bucket down of the
Oh, that's all right.
magic game off.
That's all right. So pour some out. Because what we wanted to do is we wanted to just paint this a little bit as well, and make it look pretty cool. Let's see if I can get the yellow out. Okay. We don't know how much we're going to need, so let's just have a go. Do you want help with that one, Anne?
Just please, it's hard.
Okay.
I'll mix it.
Our paints might be a bit old.
No. You can get new ones.
We got-
Make sure you don't get the runny ones.
Whoa! Right,
And
mix
that's
that up.
nice.
Let's have a look. What colour are we
I
getting?
think that was too much.
Mix it all.
That was too much though.
Mix it all and then let's see. We're going for turquoise. Turquoise-ish. Nice green.
Should we have a look at our picture?
Mm-hmm.
And guys, if you want, you can have a look at a picture.
We can't look at the picture because it's on the internet. We googled robot girl, I think we put, didn't we? And it had this cool robot girl and she kind of had turquoise outfit on. Ooh, that doesn't look right, does it? That's
There's
not very
another
nice.
one in the drawer.
All right, well, let's mix that one up, see what we get. I like this colour.
It's kind of a runny.
It's a bit too runny though, isn't it? We might have to add some more green into this. Mind you don't
more
flick it,
yellow.
Anne.
Oh, wait, look at that dark. We need a bit of darker. Maybe we put too much white.
That is actually quite a cool colour. More green?
Yeah, it's drippy.
We're going to try and thicken this up a little bit with some more green.
And more yellow.
Okay, mix that in.
Might need some more yellow you can add in.
That's better, that's getting thicker. So the white we used there was very runny, unfortunately.
I'm
So...
going to go get another white.
Alright, well I don't think we're going to need any more white in here. So
I know
I won't worry just yet. Let's try and thicken it up a bit. That's
Yeah.
getting better. Oh, there goes the head. Sorry, Jemima.
Sorry, I might as
Oops,
well lay it
I
down.
just covered your paintbrush. There's some tissue here. So we've got some tissue on standby. If you want to wipe your brush, Annie. Yeah?
No.
Okay. Right. Oh, okay, let's wipe that. No problemos.
At
So
least
I've
we-
got tissue.
And make sure you have it on a
Oops,
board.
sorry, bumping the camera. Okay,
Yeah,
Right.
we're clumsy.
let's move this to the side and let's get Jemima back.
Hello.
Now, we're going to paint from the top here down to this line of buttons on her top. So as you can see,
I'm not sure if that's the same green.
well, no, it might not be,
Up to here.
to that line of buttons.
Okay, so the middle bit.
Yeah.
Do we have to do it down below it?
Yeah, down the side as well, under her arms.
Okay, make sure you've got a nice thick. Make it nice and thick.
Yeah, our paint's actually not that thick, is it?
No, we can do loads of this.
Yeah, we can do.
We can do some ministry points. And by the way, we're not artists.
Why do you always say we're not artists?
I have no
Anyone
idea.
doing art is an artist, right?
No.
Surely that's how it works.
Comment down below.
Comment down below if you're an artist or you think you are, like we are.
I'm
Right.
not sure we are.
Mine is dripping quite badly.
Mine is. It dripped. Look how much mine dripped.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry.
Oh,
It's fine.
this song.
Huh?
Don't know.
What
Let's
happened?
go on.
Yeah, that's all right.
We can wipe it.
How much? Ooh, quite a bit. Okay. Oh, we can wipe it. That's fine. There you go. Hasn't got to be perfect. It's got to be ours. That's what.
How do we have to do the whole arm?
Well, we can now, or maybe go to about here, and then leave the hands white. Yeah,
Or we could make skin colour. We can make a skin.
we could do.
On wait. Is there a mixer on skin colour? Can we look at how we?
Oh, I mentioned for your skin colour, it'd be quite pinky.
Yeah, we could use pink and some white.
Could
That
do.
make a light pink. I can get that in a minute. You can get a bit of white.
It's looking pretty good though.
Okay, we've done the arm now.
Hang on, I'm
and-
doing this arm over here. Let's move a bit so people can see.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep doing more layers on here.
So let's just say the first paint you saw us doing, the spray paint, that's like a plastic coat. It's called. So it's almost like
It feels like plastic.
yeah, it's giving it like a plasticky finish, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
And it kind
but
of feels a bit waterproof, doesn't it?
if you want, you don't have to do your robot turquoise. Thus, you can do whatever colour you want.
Oh yeah, any colour.
I'm
What
not-
we found is darker colours actually are covering up all the wrinkles in the paper better.
Yeah.
So if we were to do this again, or even now, we could paint it a bit darker. Shall I put some more green in there?
Then we'll go a bit darker.
Do you want to see if there's a
pink?
or a dark? Yeah, try pink. Let's just try it.
We can do it for the skin colour. I'll start making the skin colour
All right, darling.
somewhere. One second. I'll get a plate to make the skin colour. Here's the pink. What colour do you need?
It's up to you, darling. What colour do you want to do it?
You could do the skin pink and white. Then we'll go like a light pink.
That'd be cool.
I'll put some pink in the bowl over here.
Okay.
Guys, I am going to come over them.
She's coming back in a minute. She's just doing that bit.
Okay. That's enough skin.
So, as you can see,
I'll get another
kind of
light.
taking shape. When we started this project, we weren't really sure what we were creating, and if you followed this from the start, you would have seen that we've kind of just made it up as we've gone along, and that's one of the cool things about this. It's not got to be perfect, and you can just experiment, see what you come up with.
Oh, yeah, I gotta go because hi, I'm just watching.
We've got some kitchen roll here as well. That's important.
Yes. Oh, you make sure you got some tissue in case you. Sorry, that was the pain.
So, Annie, are you doing that pink face colour on the face? Is that what
I'm
you're
just
thinking?
trying to make a bit of
For the
skin.
hands and legs.
Or,
So has she got like, if we did the skin colour here, and on her face, would that work?
yeah, but not like we could put some paper then.
Yeah.
And then we could paint draw some eyes on it. Okay, I think there's enough white. I'm convinced.
Do you want to do, should we do some green on here, or do you want different on the bottom there?
We could do what she should we do?
Well, that's what we've got to try and work out.
Maybe we could. Oh, we haven't done.
We've got
yet.
green here, let's do green.
Okay.
We did
Green
talk about
shoes.
green, didn't we?
But only green shoes. But
That's going to be pink, because she's wearing shorts,
yeah, we
right?
can do some like make sure these bits are black. We can do them as laces.
Oh, good idea.
So make sure those are black.
All right.
Can I have a thin paintbrush?
Yep, we've got loads of paintbrushes here.
Thanks, I can't make so much glue. Okay, I am mixing, hoping I get a skin colour. I'm really trying. Do you think I should have done a bit more lighter on here?
No, I think that's pretty good.
Maybe I could mix it all up and see how it goes.
Maybe.
And then if it's too dark, I can add a bit more. Wait, is it the same as mine? Too dark, too dark.
Add a
look
bit
at
lighter then.
Look at that, Dad.
Oh yeah. What we're going to have to do as well at some point is stand her up and
Yeah.
paint her back.
No.
Otherwise she's not going to have any paint on her back.
And if we're carrying cover on our shoulder, and someone's walking behind us
Oh,
and
yeah.
they watched our video,
Yeah.
they'll be like, wait, I shouldn't have commented. They haven't painted it all. We don't want that.
Looking good.
I'm trying to get the white out.
Is it giving you trouble?
Yes.
Stay calm, stay calm. How many minutes we done? Oh, it's a 10-minute video so far. A few more minutes.
Wait, can we do another video, but on this?
Yeah,
one?
we're just doing short videos at the moment because we're only starting out, so we're getting a nice lot of videos on YouTube for everyone.
So what I'm going to speak about our videos when actually there's some more videos on here.
Mm-hmm.
So when they watch it, they don't have to wait for another video to come
That's
out.
the worst thing, isn't it? Having to wait.
Yeah.
Ugh. Looking good. That is looking
so
good.
hard. Sorry.
So, as you can see,
Going.
we have got
Going.
Jemima in a green top, looking good
It's dripping.
with green boots. And I'm going to have to try and paint her back.
You start painting the back.
We did have this that we borrowed off our neighbour. I must take it back. Hi, Rachel. And Jemima sits on that really lovely. So
you can start.
I'll paint her back while
And
we.
I can do the face and
Yeah.
this little
While
hand.
we've. Oh, careful. While we still got the green. Ooh, she's not sitting very nicely. Come on, Jemima. There you go. Right, I'm going to just finish painting this back and we will be back in a minute with another video on the face, the arms and the legs. See you soon.